Welcome back to the Windows Club. Are you getting the "it's not you, it's me" error when trying to use the Microsoft Copilot? You may see a message saying something went wrong, I probably just need time to refresh. And Copilot may stop responding when you launch it or submit a prompt. Fortunately, there are several things you can try to fix the problem. In this video, I will show you 7 methods to fix the error. Let's get started. Update Copilot. An outdated version of Copilot can cause several issues, including errors when launching the app or connecting to the service. Therefore, the first thing you should do is check whether an update is available. Launch Microsoft Store, search for Copilot, select Microsoft Copilot from the search results. If an update is available, you will see an update button. Click it and let Microsoft Store install the latest version. Once the update is installed, launch Copilot again and check if the error is fixed. If you are still seeing the same message, move on to the next method. Run Copilot Troubleshooter. The Copilot Troubleshooter can help identify and resolve Copilot license and connectivity issues. You can run it through the Get Help app. Launch the Get Help app and search for Copilot Connectivity Troubleshooters. Windows may ask for permission to run the troubleshooter. Click Yes and follow the on-screen instructions. The troubleshooter will run several automated tests and may identify the cause of the problem. If the troubleshooter does not resolve the issue, try switching to another network connection. Switch to another network connection. Network problems are one of the possible causes of the "it's not you, it's me" error. To check whether your current network is responsible, connect your computer to another network and try using Copilot again. If another Wi-Fi network isn't available, you can use your mobile data and connect your Windows PC to the internet through a mobile hotspot. If Copilot works normally on the other connection, the problem is likely related to your original network. In that case, you can try power cycling your Wi-Fi router. First, turn off your Wi-Fi router, unplug its adapter from the wall socket, wait for a few minutes, then plug the adapter back into the wall socket and turn on the router. Once your internet connection is restored, check Copilot again. If the error continues, move on to the next method. Disconnect from the VPN. A VPN connection makes your network more secure but slows down the internet speed. That's why a VPN can sometimes cause network issues with certain applications. This might be the case with you if you are connected to a VPN. Disconnect from the VPN and see if the problem is fixed. Clear your browser cache and cookies. If you are experiencing the error while using Copilot in a web browser, corrupted cache or cookies could be responsible. There's a simple way to check this. Open an incognito or private window in your browser and sign into Copilot. Now check whether the error appears. If Copilot works normally in incognito or private mode, your regular browser profile may have corrupted cache or cookies. In that case, clear your browser cache and cookies. Here is how to clear Chrome browser cache. Click the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner, select Delete Browsing Data from the menu, choose a time range such as Alt Time to remove everything. Check the box for cookies and other site data and image and files. Uncheck history or other items if you want to keep them. Click Delete Data. Web browsers can also have an option to clear cache and cookies for a specific site. You can also use this option for Copilot. Reset your network. Windows 11 includes a network reset feature that can help fix persistent network-related problems. Here is how to do that. Open Windows 11 settings, click Open Network and Internet Settings. On the right, scroll down till you see Advanced Network Settings and then click on it. Again, scroll down on the next screen till you see More Settings. Here, click on Network Reset. On the next screen, click on the Reset Now button and wait for the process to complete. Once done, restart your computer. Keep in mind that the network reset process takes some time, and Windows will restart your computer automatically after the reset. Therefore, save all your pending work before you continue. Once the reset is complete and your PC restarts, connect to your network and try using Copilot again. Repair or reinstall Copilot. If none of the previous methods worked, try repairing the Copilot app. To do this, launch Windows 11 settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps, search for Copilot. Click the 3 dot next to Copilot and select Modify or Advanced options. If you see a user account control prompt, click Yes. Click Repair and wait for Windows to complete the process. Once it's done, launch Copilot and check whether the error has been resolved. If repairing Copilot doesn't help, you can uninstall and reinstall the app. After uninstalling Copilot, restart your computer. Then open the Microsoft Store, search for Copilot and install the app again. So these are the methods you can try if you encounter the "it's not you, it's me" error in Microsoft Copilot. I hope this guide helps you get Copilot working again. If you found this video useful, like and subscribe to the Windows Club, and thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next video.